for practice we will do 4th adhyaya second pada. 4th adhyaya second pada. Who wants to tell? Tena raktam ragat. Vijaya Hetirajan.
आम जी। अत पाणिनीय सूत्र पाठे चतुर्थाध्याये द्वितीयः पादः। तेन रक्तं रागात् लाक्षा रोचना शकल गर्दमाटक नक्षत्रेण युक्तः कालः लुभ विशेषे संज्ञायां श्रवणास्त्वत्ताभ्यां द्वन्द्वाच्चः दृष्टं साम कलेदक वामे देवाड्डड्यौ परिवृतो रथः।
एक निमिषं।
वामदेवाड्डड्यौ परिवृतो रथः पाण्डुकम्पलादिनिः द्वैपवयाग्रादै कौमार पूर्ववचने तत्रोद्धृत ममेत्रेभ्यः ताण्डिल्याच्छयितरिव्रते संस्कृतं भक्षाः सुलोकाद्यत् दद्नष्टक उदस्थितोऽन्यतरस्यां क्षीराड्डै। तावदेव जी। धन्यवाद।
वेंकटेश्वरन गोपाला।
नमस्कारं सर। तेन रक्तं रागात् लाक्षारोचना शकलकर्दमाठक नक्षत्रेण युक्तः कालः लुभ विशेषे संज्ञायां श्रवणाश्वत्थाभ्यां द्वन्द्वाच्चः दृष्टं साम कलेर्डक वामदेवाड्यड्यौ परिवृतो रथः पाण्डुकम्बलादिनिः द्वेप वैयाग्रादन्य कौमारपूर्ववचने तत्रोद्धृतमत्रेभ्यः स्तण्डिलाचयितरि वृते संस्कृतं भक्षाः शूलोकाद्यत् दद्नष्टक उदश्वितोऽन्यतरस्यां क्षीराडै सास्मिन् पौर्णमासीति संज्ञायाम् आग्रहायण्यश्वत्थाटक विभाषा फाल्गुनी श्रवणा कार्तिकी चैत्रीभ्यः सास्य देवता कस्येत् शुक्राधन अपोनप्त्र पान्नप्तृभ्यां गः छच्च महेन्द्रादानौ च सोमाष्ट्यन् वायुवृत पितृशसो यत् द्यावा पृथिवीषु नासीरमरुत्व रग्रीशोम वास्तोष्पति गृहमे मेदाच्छच अग्रेढक कालेभ्यो भववत् महाराजप्रोष्ठपदाष्टङ् पितृव्यमातुलमातामहि मातामह पितामहः तस्य समूहः भिक्षादिभ्योने गोत्रोक्षोष्ट्रोरभ्र राजन्य राजपुत्र वत्समनुष्या जाग्मि केदाराद्यञ्च टङ्कवचिनश्च।
वरुण नंदूरी।
महोदय 10 सूत्राणि एव वदामि।
अस्तु।
अथ पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे चतुर्थाध्याये द्वितीयः पादः। तेन रक्तं रागात् लाक्षारोचना शकलकर्दमाठक नक्षत्रेण युक्तः कालः लुभविशेषे संज्ञायां श्रवणाश्वत्थाभ्यां द्वन्द्वाच्छः दृष्टं साम कलेर्ढक वामदेवाड्यड्यौ परिवृतो रथः।
Uttamam. So this time we will be having the tests little bit earlier. We won't wait for 1.5 months. September after Vijayadashami, say we will have the test. So I would request all the memorizers to quickly memorize. We will have the test by October 15th is Vijayadashami. So October 22nd Friday or 21st Thursday, we will have the 4th Adhyaya second Pada test. So I am deciding the date 1 month ahead so that we do a justice for this Pada. There are only less. This Pada has got 150.
145. 145.
145 sutras only are there. It is not 170. So 30 sutras less. So we can do it a little bit faster. I would request all of you to practice as fast as possible. And October after Vijayadashami only we'll have the test. So it will be around 18th that week. Latest, if suppose we miss some classes, it may be last week of October, which is 27, 28. It cannot go beyond that date. Okay.
I have one question. Because you are subject to so many different versions of this one. How do you manage to keep in track? Because you're teaching Ashtadhyayi, you go and teach Bhagavad Gita. I can see the slight slip of the tongue. Can we check the same? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
What I'm saying is the same challenge to the memorizers. Do they still remember chapter 4, Prathama Adhyaya, or the chapter 3, 4th Adhyaya, the quick test? Because you have to keep in touch with the Ashtadhyayi, right? Go forward. So that's a suggestion of me. Is there any way we can check on that?
So after this 6th Adhyaya is over, I was thinking of introducing some new techniques wherein we can all practice the old syllabus also. That so there are different techniques, Parayanam and all. This group, anyhow, we have a Telegram group. Somehow we should use this Telegram group and have some innovative techniques to recite and remember this. Sumati has been telling this from lot of days. Sir, you are going ahead, but suppose I forget 3rd Adhyaya. When you are doing 8 Adhyaya's test, see, lastly we will do a 8 Adhyaya's test together. That test when you are doing, if I am forgetting the 3rd Adhyaya, what should I do, sir? She has been asking this question from so many days. And it is very true. See, Vyakarana is volatile. When you are doing 6th Adhyaya, you will forget 4th Adhyaya, 4th Adhyaya, you will forget 1st Adhyaya. You think you have done it, but it will look very new to you. So we should keep in touch. So we have to come up with some methodology within this class hours and with the Telegram group, how we can engage and keep all of us, say about 30-40 people, we are there. These 40 people should be keeping on. We should keep on listening to Ashtadhyayi shlokas, sutras, and we should be able to keep in touch with those sutras. And at least when the starting letter of the sutra, suppose I say Dvaipa Vayya Gradai, that much we should get. Kaumara Purva Vachane, that much at least we should get. So like that, I think we should do this. So there are some people, Rajiv Kumar Shuklaji, he's asking for the Telegram group link. So somebody can post it in the chat box so that he can copy it. So like this, we have to find out some technique. It is high time we do it, because by the time we do 7th and 8th Adhyaya Patha, we will finish 4th Adhyaya fully. So first 4 Adhyaya we have to practice, and the next 4 also we have to start practicing. So if you don't put this effort for next 2-3 months, especially the memorizers, we will all lose what we have memorized. Ideally, we should have had some techniques from the beginning, because I was busy and other things. It required some commitment from my side. I couldn't commit to that, but I think we should now do it, because we will lose the first 4 Adhyaya. So we will think of something. So each one of you, if you have some suggestions, have it in your mind. One day in the class, I will ask what are the suggestions you have. We will think which is the best suggestion. We will take the suggestion and we will implement that. it should not be extra work also. But it should be within this 5 days and this framework. How we can plan that is something we have to figure out. Pancharanam sir, thank you.
Yeah, I mean,
Thank you for raising.
What I'm saying is, for me, I myself asked the question. I have not been memorizing it, but I have to keep in touch. So go back
Yes,
and read it, and then try and apply it. So many things that matters. So the dexterity comes with the time, right? Palakramena, we become experts, but we have to keep in touch. That's most important.
Yes, we have to keep in touch, and that is the purpose. The greatest benefit for this class. Who is the greatest beneficiary of this class? I am the greatest beneficiary, because I listen to all of you when you are chanting, and it keeps on ringing in my ears. So I am the greatest beneficiary. When I teach also, I am the greatest beneficiary. So we will keep in touch with these sutras and see how we can practice this so efficiently. Especially for the memorizers, definitely it requires that we bring in some mechanism, so that when we do the test in the month of April or May, when we finish the Ashtadhyayi, that time we should be ready to tell the 8 chapters. So I have seen students giving 8 chapter test and all. So there, any adhyaya, any pada from anywhere you ask, they will tell. Like that, I have seen students.
That's a really challenging one, very challenging.
And it is possible, just that we have to keep in touch and play some games and all those things. So I will use some of our expert memorizers like Vaishnavi, Kalyani, Kirtana, Varun. All these expert memorizers are there, no? Vihan, Pragun. Using them, we will all revise one chapter, and then we will see how we can, all of us come. Sumati also is there. We'll see how we will do this. I will think of a method. Give me 1 week's time. I will come up with something before we finish 6th Adhyaya, 4th Pada. I will come up with something. Meanwhile, if you have suggestions, you can write to me. येनाक्षर समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः.